In the quest for health and wellness, one word always seems to pop up: diet. Today, we'll be diving into some of the most popular diets that have captured the public's interest. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet. What works for one person may not work for another. The Mediterranean diet. Inspired by the eating habits of Greece, Spain, and Italy, this diet is all about plant-based foods, lean proteins, and healthy fats. NAR research suggests that this diet can help improve heart health and might reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Ketogenic diet. Next up, the ketogenic, or keto, diet. This low-carb, high-fat diet puts your body into a metabolic state known as ketosis. Many find it useful for weight loss. However, it's not suitable for everyone and can have side effects, so make sure to consult with a professional. Intermittent fasting. It's less about what you eat, more about when you eat. The idea is to cycle between periods of eating and fasting. Many people find this an effective method for weight management. Again, it's important to ensure this suits your health needs. Fasting triggers a process called autophagy, where the body breaks down and recycles damaged cells and proteins. This cellular repair mechanism can have positive effects on longevity and overall health. Plant-based diets. Plant-based diets, such as vegetarian and vegan diets, focus on foods primarily from plants. This includes not only fruits and vegetables, but also nuts, seeds, oils, whole grains, and legumes. These diets can be very healthy, but you'll need to ensure you're getting all necessary nutrients. No matter which diet you choose, the key is balance. And remember, healthy eating is just one part of overall wellness. Find what works best for you and consult with a healthcare professional to ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs. Here's to your health. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.